unless means if not. Unless not followed by negative words, but express negatives. If his parents the dash will off, he would have going to university. A had been, B arts, C had been, have been, D words. Improbably conditional sentences. Hey parents, bakka kanarratti ilaal. You would have gone to university. Would have gone to university. Waan bakka kanatti have gone to university yeef bakka kanarratti had been the correct answers. I can't think what to do if tornadoes were theirs, were hers. He dashed me what to do. A, I had told. B, would tell. C, will tell. D, would have told. Imaginary conditional sentences. Express imaginary conditional sentence. I can't think what to do if the words were, clue, where's. Where is used in type 2 conditional sentences. The correct answer is B. The first things I will do if I dash my driving lessons is to drive to Rift Valley lakes for long vacations. A, I had gotten. B, got. C, got. D, will got. This is conditional type 1 conditional sentence. Type 1 conditional sentence. The first thing I will. This clue of this question answer. Willing clue no ta'uu danda'a jechuudha bakka kanarratti. Saniifuu type 1 conditional sentences get taatee jechuudha. If I dash French in high school, I had. Type 3 conditional sentence is a clue for any students. More or job is opportunity. A, I have. Wanti isiniif clue ta'uu danda'u I had. Bakka jawaanattu type 3 conditional sentence ta'uu danda'a. Saniifuu deebisaan keenya D ta'uu danda'a jechuudha. If anyone had called, I dash them